Hi friends, I am from Regrop.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm. And today we are visiting at Merlin Island project, which is located at Picnic Garden Road. So this is the way to Baliganj Pahadi. And on this side, this is the way to EM bypass. So here is the view of the entrance gate, and as we are moving forward, you can see the external view of the project. Here, as you can see, it's an under construction project. The work is going on. This project is constructed over 4.50 acres of land. And the possession will be available on December 2019. This project comprises of 3 and 4 BHK apartments. This project consists of 2 number of towers with 25 floors each and 117 total number of units. So here you can take the view of the ongoing work. It's a residential project. The building is almost ready. So thank you friends for watching this video. For booking, please call at the given number. Thank you.